watched it before, recording from camera 4.
You don't have 4 cameras.
Okay, whatever. We are recording from camera 1 at the Tower of Watching, which we call the Watchtower.
Can our Watchtower be pink?
No.
Please, that's my dream.
No.
You can door up to this.
Why'd you join the army, man?
I thought I had something to do.
What?
Well, that's what the brochure said.
What brochure?
The one that had something against, like, Camp Austin.
Don't you mean Camp Damien?
No, Camp Pretty Ponies.
Hey, we're on a recon mission here. Lock and load.
That's what she said. Wait, before she became a man?
Hey, are you trying to start something? Yes, I am. Hey, look out for hostiles.
What's a hostile?
The person we have to kill.
What? Why can't we just get sweaters?
I see movement. I see movement.
What's your response, Sarge? There's something we can do down there.
Open fire!
No, open fire! Open fire!
What?
Tango's down, Sarge.
What does Tango down mean?
We'll tell you that later.
Why?
You just don't want to know.
Boom!
Ah! Ah, you scared me. Why'd you do that?
Dude, you are such a passive